back to Brothers Talk. As you can see, I'm in the Jag. Picked her back up last night from Jaguar and crew. All the work's been done, and I'm buzzing. It really felt like the first day of collecting this car and owning it, because I know it's been in with Jag. They've done the work, they've done the thermostat housing, they've done the pipe next to it, and they sort of pressure tested it, so they've gone through it all. Completely happy with the coolant system now, no leaks. They've changed the aerial for me, so the Sat Nav is working. Pinpoints my location now, which is brilliant. And the car feels mint. Yeah, driving over it just really felt like it was the first day of ownership. The sun was shining. Could open it up a little bit and really enjoy it, and it just felt amazing. So driving work now, and I just wanted to do a video. Really, just wanted to update you and just sort of, I suppose, express me happiness and my joy of owning this car. And I know it feels right. I know it's been looked at and gone through by Jag, and they've cars left them with them saying, yeah, it's perfect. Sun shining this morning. It's a great way to start the day. Great way to start the day. So absolutely buzzing to own this thing now. Does it really feels like it's first real day of owning it for some reason? Like I say, I mean, when I picked it up, I was excited to get the car, but it was miserable and rainy and cold, and then it was like 2 weeks of frost and things like that. So just never ever got to enjoy it. And obviously with the battery issue, coolant issue, what quickly followed, just never actually got a good time to really enjoy the car. But oh wow, just this little drive, little burst into work, it just feels special already. And this is what owning a car like this should feel like, really. You want it to put a smile on your face and be excited to jump in and drive it, and for it to feel like a bit of an experience. That's what it is, really. So hopefully get some road trips booked in, some car shows, car meets, all that kind of stuff, just to really get a bit of use out of the car, really. Can't imagine me getting good fuel consumption out of this thing. So I've driven the car for a week or so, and it's obviously been in the garage and had technicians working on it, moving the seats, things like that. I haven't got my driving position correct yet. I do feel like I just need to tweak that slightly, but I'll get that sorted. Currently averaging 16.1 miles per gallon on this journey, and that's just the V6. God help the V8. I've probably got a challenge to try and get this into single figures at some point during ownership. That'd be good fun. I was expecting probably get around about 20, but um, I don't do many miles, so I suppose when I'm driving it normally, if I'm getting around about 18, 19, something like that, difference from that to 22 with the amount of miles I do is practically nothing money wise. So not not too concerned. Like I say, if I'm constantly getting 9, then I'll probably notice the difference a little bit. But we'll see how it goes. Obviously, we'll put some miles, longer journeys on the car. See how that works. Just come get some breakfast and ready for the day. So that's it. Breakfast sorted. Off to work. And can't wait to do some more videos now. But give us a like and subscribe if you enjoy what you're seeing. And also have a look at the other socials. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and X under Brothers Talk. Give us a follow, give us a shout out, and look forward to seeing your comments. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.